जय श्रीमन्नारायण. Aranyakanda. Now Akampana saying that, "Ho Rakshasendra, Ramo Nama Mahatejaha." Rama has such a huge amount of effulgence. Shreshtaha Sarvadhanushmatam. He has so much of efficiency in doing archery. Divyastra guna sampannaha. He has so many powerful weapons, not only weapons, but also he has wonderful qualities, attributes. Purandara Samaha. He is looking like Devendra. He is very equivalent to Devendra. And also, Ho Raja, his brother Lakshmana is also there. Balavan, that Lakshmana also is a great, very strong man. And he also has so much of glory. Ho Raja, as and how if the wind combines with fire, how that fire can burn everything just like anything. So also Rama along with Lakshmana completely destroyed entire Janasthanam. Ho Raja, ho Ravana, that is all it is. Naiva Deva Mahatmano na Atra. Nobody helped Rama, nobody helped Lakshmana, no Devatas, no Mahatmas, nobody helped them. Only by Rama himself has done all of it. Like this, Akampana giving details to Ravana. Akampana is now saying to Ravana, "Ho Raja, Ravana, Rama, when he was shooting all his arrows, those arrows were coming to all the demons just like big serpents and killing away every demon. Ho Raja, yena cha gacchanti rakshasa bhayakarsitaha." While Rama is shooting all his arrows, demons could not able to stay in the battlefield anymore. They were escaping, they were running away from the battlefield, but wherever they go, wherever they hide, tena sma pasyanti ramameva agratasthitam. Wherever they go, wherever they hide, there they are seeing Rama right in front of them. Like that, everybody got so much scared from Sri Rama. Ho Ravana, like that Rama killed each and everyone and destroyed entire Janasthanam. Then Ravana is asking now, saying to Akampana like this, "Ho Akampana, now, right now, Janasthanam Gamishyami. I am going to go to Janasthanam. Hantum Ramam sa Lakshmanam. I am going to kill Rama and Lakshmana." Ravana said like that. Then again Akampana saying that, "Ho Raja, wait a minute. I have to still tell you so much about Rama's valor, Rama's strength. I am going to give you the details about Rama's strength as it is. Asadhyaha kupito Ramo." Ho Raja Ravana, if Rama gets anger, he can easily stop any kind of stream of any amount of velocity of any amount of water just with his arrows. Such is Rama's power. Ho Raja Ravana, if Rama gets anger, Satara Graha Nakshatram Nabhascha Avyavasadayet. Stars, all the planets, including sky, space, Rama will be able to destroy everything if he gets anger. Ho Raja Ravana, If Rama gets anger, he will be able to put entire earth into the ocean and make sure the entire earth is drowned. Not only that, he would also be able to uplift the entire earth when it was drowning in the ocean. To that extent, Rama is very powerful. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama 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 Dasaratha Rama He He Raja Rama He He Raja Rama He He Sita Rama He He Sita Rama. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. करिष्ये वचनं तव. सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु. जय श्रीमन्नारायण.